In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a workspace in Google Drive. If you use workspaces to keep related files together, you know how helpful they are for focus. But over time, your list can get crowded. Hiding a workspace is a quick way to tidy up your view without deleting anything or changing who can see the files. Let's walk through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Google Drive and go to the Workspaces area. Depending on your account type, this will look a little different. On many work or school accounts, you'll find workspaces inside the Priority tab on the left sidebar. On personal Google accounts, there's often a dedicated Workspaces option in the left panel. If you don't see it right away, expand the navigation menu or check under Priority. The label may vary, but the contents are the same. Once you're in that section, find the specific workspace you want to hide. Each workspace appears as its own card or panel, usually showing a few of the files you've added. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right one by glancing at its name and the files displayed. This won't affect the files themselves. Hiding the workspace just removes that workspace from your main list. Now look for the three vertical dots in the top right corner of that workspace's card. This is the More Options menu. Click it to open a short list of actions that apply to that workspace. In that menu, choose Hide Workspace. As soon as you select it, the workspace will disappear from your main workspaces list. You may see a quick confirmation message, and then it's out of the way. Your workspace isn't gone, it's simply moved to a separate area labeled Hidden Workspaces. This section typically sits at the bottom of the page, so scroll down to find it. That's where the workspace now lives, keeping your day-to-day view uncluttered while still preserving access to all the files inside it. Remember, hiding a workspace doesn't delete anything, doesn't revoke sharing, and doesn't notify collaborators. All your files remain searchable in Drive, and any links you've shared continue to work. That's all there is to it. Open Workspaces, locate the one you want, click the three dots, and choose Hide Workspace. It's a simple, reversible way to keep your drive clean and focused on what matters most today, while still keeping the rest just a scroll away.